Gaming Guy 88 here with another video, and this is an unboxing of Nintendo Switch Sports. Now, Nintendo Switch Sports just was released at the time of filming this on April 29th, 2022, and it basically is the successor to the Wii Sports series from back in the mid-2000s. There was Wii Sports and Wii Sports Resort, which I do still have Wii Sports Resort, and both those games were very fun. I know that there are people out there that didn't like the boom of the motion controls and all that, but I quite enjoyed Wii Sports as well as Wii Sports Resort, so I definitely wanted to pick up Nintendo Switch Sports. And as you can see, it's in a box here, and the reason being is because it includes a leg strap for when you want to play one of the 6 included sports in the game, soccer. And so yeah, let's take a look at the box. Got the top here, got the middle where it says the title of the game, and got the bottom here, and of course it includes the leg strap as mentioned. Got the side here, got the back, get in the game. The rear movement controls the action. It includes volleyball, badminton, bowling, which is a personal favorite of mine, soccer, chambara, I hope I'm pronouncing that correctly, and tennis. And coming this fall, there will be a free edition of golf to this game. And as you can see there, 1 to 4 players on the TV, or 1 player playing it in, looks like tabletop mode. And it is not compatible with the Switch Lite. Here's the other side. And I got this from Target, and it came with this drawstring bag, which is pretty cool. And let's get to the game. I'm going to try to open this with one hand, and I've already cut the tape to hopefully make it easier. Or actually, I can just take it out just like this. Here is the game case, and it looks just like the box. Here's the back of it. Everyone 10 plus, mild violence, I guess for the chambara. So yeah, there's that. And oh, the leg strap. Okay, so here's the leg strap for soccer, and you place one of the Joy-Cons inside of this, and of course wrap it around your leg, and I'm assuming it appears to be using Velcro. So yeah, I'm definitely looking forward to checking this out very soon. Probably after I'm done filming this video. But yeah, that is Nintendo Switch Sports. I hope you all enjoyed this little unboxing, and thanks for watching, and until next time, you all take care.